Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Beta. This special version offers you an exciting sneak peek at new maps, weapons, and game modes before they are officially released. By participating, you become a crucial part of the development process, helping the team refine the game. Your feedback directly contributes to making the final product even better for everyone. It's a fantastic opportunity to experience future content firsthand. To get started, you'll need to download the official PUBG Mobile Beta application. Always make sure you are getting it from a reliable source, such as the official website or a verified platform. Before installing, double-check that your device has sufficient storage and meets the recommended specifications for a smooth experience. Once downloaded, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process and launch the beta. When you dive into the beta, prepare to explore content that isn't yet available in the main game. This often includes brand new maps, powerful weapons, and exciting, experimental game modes. Remember, this is a test version, so you might encounter occasional bugs or performance fluctuations. Your role as a beta tester is vital. Please use the in-game feedback system to report any issues you find, helping the developers improve the game. To make the most of your beta experience, always keep your beta client updated to the newest version. This ensures you're testing the latest iterations and bug fixes. Connect with other beta testers in official forums or communities to share your findings and discuss new features. It's important to remember that any progress you make, like rank or inventory items, will not carry over to your main PUBG Mobile account. Enjoy the exclusive preview.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.